Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Roblox on launching on PC. So here's what you're going to do. You want to open a new Chrome tab, go to settings, go to privacy and security, go to third-party cookies. Now you want to click see all site data permissions, click here filter and type in Roblox. And you want to click on the delete or the trash can and then delete again. After you're done with that, you want to exit out of this. Now you want to go to File Explorer, go to Local Disk C, go to Users, Note 3 for me. In your case, it will be the middle one. Now go to App Data. Now go to Local. And now scroll till you find Roblox. And it's here. Now you want to go to Local Storage and you want to delete all three of these. Press Delete. After you're done with that, you want to exit out of this. You want to right click on the Roblox player, go to properties, go to compatibility. You want to make sure that you run this program in compatibility mode, and you want to disable full screen optimization and run this program as an admin. Click apply, click OK. Now go to search, go to settings. In settings, you want to click on display, scroll down till you find graphics. Now click here, search the list and type in Roblox. Now you want to expand this and you want to set it to high performance. After you're done with all of that, you want to go back to search, type in Windows Defender Firewall. After you're in it, go allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Now click change settings. Now click allow another app. Now click browse. Now click on desktop and then find Roblox player and then click open and then add, and make sure that you take both public and private. After you've done all of that, restart your PC and check if your game works properly. If it doesn't work properly, what you can do is uninstall it and go to Microsoft Store and go to games and type in Roblox. And you want to download it from here because through the Microsoft Store, it's more optimized and it will run more smoothly. And that's about it. That's how you fix Roblox not launching on PC. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.